Let's go. Yeah, I'm good. Fucking 100 and... Oh, I always wait 3 hours before I can find a match, I swear. It's always 3 hours. Indeed. I already hear screaming. I wonder what makes them scream so much.
They're on fire. What else you want to know?
They may be on fire, but they're in a fireproof suit.
No, the fuck they're not.
Yeah, they
on
are.
fire of explosives. They're on fire with more gasoline and balls on their chest. When they die, they fall over and it breaks and they catch on more fire. I'm pretty sure that's what's going on there. I mean, if I'm gonna catch myself on fire, it's gonna die. I'm gonna make sure the motherfucker maybe 5 feet from me is gonna explode and die too. Fuck that bullshit. If I'm screaming and dying, you're gonna scream and die too, you bitch.
Alright then.
Well, I mean, you're gonna do it, fucking do it right. I hear a big guy. My gun's not set for a big guy. Spawned in the fucking little hallway on the set of stairs.
Oh.
Why the fuck did you get to spawn over here? I spawned in the
I didn't.
corner.
I spawned in the building. I walked downstairs. Well, I didn't. I was peeking off, fell down. And then I jumped over here.
I spawned looking at that wall when I turned around. There's a set of stairs there. And nothing. I was like, well. That man just got stabbed in the fucking face. Getting pushed out the fucking car.
This says fucking spawn in, my textures don't load in. Are you using the SKS?
Yes.
Okay. Shoot!
I am, I'm out of ammo.
Shoot.
Go for me. He's dead. Is there a big guy? Reload. He's the best weapon for the fuck, dude?
There we go. We're good. We're good. We're safe.
Yeah, there's mortars. I'm staying in here. That's what I'm fuck here.
I just saw a teammate put a mine down and then a C4 down. He just bought the C4 again, which took away the C4 he just placed. And now he put the C4 back down. Yeah, just...
Get level up, bitch. Can't put up a game, right? Jesus Christ.
He attacked me but killed you. I feel good about that. I should be able to stand up right here, but I can't. Ah, there we go. Yes. Glorious. Ah. I could shoot him. I could do it. But I'm not. That is fucking boring.
Can't record.
Why not?
It's in error. I can try. I can take them.
Ooh. How do I do that?
Escape. Vote player.
Call vote?
What?
Can't. Oh. Yeah.
What happened?
Yes. Yeah, but he probably voted for like the refinery. Oh my goodness. We gotta talk. We gotta do something. I gotta wait 3 fucking hours. I swear. Alright, I was about to ask, we going night fishing or not? Someone took marksman, of course they did. Alright. I'm using Uzi. So I really need to aim. No, I do. I do. What just happened could have easily been prevented if I aimed. Oh, I can't hit fire for shit. I'm watching them. No, I'm not watching them now. Oh, this teammate shoots me, I'm killing him. Oh, I have no regrets about that. They are having. They are just.
You don't speak your taco speak, sorry.
What the fuck? They are having a hard time over there. No, you're good. You're good.
I'm trying to vote this fucking man.
Who? Who was trying to vote?
The guy who killed you.
Huh. There's only 4 of us left alive. 3 of us. Oh. Oh!
What? Oh, he's not here. Okay.
Trying to reload. Oof. No, I'm just gonna go this way. You got one behind you. No, we got people on Delta. Don't know why I said it like that. I was just gonna say on D, but I ended up saying Del.
That was a weird way to get.
Yeah, what? Yeah. I was just gonna say D, but I ended up actually trying to say it. Oh, we actually do that things. Alright. I can't see.
What the fuck killed me? Did I get hit from behind?
I think so.
Okay. I ain't gonna die over here if I go down here.
Why is it cold over there?
It's fucking cold as shit.
I think it's still 80-some degrees in this house.
Fuck that, but...
That beats me. Ah, shit. Nah, I'm good. Nah, fuck. Max. Yeah. Never apologize, you know this.
Oh, come on, I killed that man. What the fuck? He died anyway. Jeez.
Yeah, what's up?
Okay, me and you both moved the right way.
They just don't give a damn about night fishing. Jesus, I thought you killed me on night. Oh, that's poison smoke.
He teleported dead. I shot him in the head and he teleported and just fell over and laid down. See your glowing ass? Fuck you. I can't go back in there.
Yep. That's far. Yep, still smoking a little bit. You know where the bathroom is? Yeah, you know where the bathroom is.
I did. The motherfucker shot me in the back of the head like 10 times. Really? Nobody behind me.
He was trying to get you killed in front of you. What do you mean?
Exactly.
Oh god. I died. Oh.
Somehow.
I did not. Oof. AKM?
RPK.
RPK. Damn!
What?
If I just aimed, I wouldn't have died. Oh, I keep dying because I don't aim.
Sometimes not saving me saves me. Not aiming saves me. So.
Nope, every time I don't aim, I die. You may wanna.
Yeah.
You may wanna.
Yeah, I don't know what to do here.
Okay, that's just regular smoke.
Yeah.
Why does he have... Does he not like the iron sights with the Alpha AK? I guess he doesn't.
You ain't teleporting up here, bitch. Cut my face.
Neither one of them had died. How the fuck did neither one of them die? Why do you need smoke?
I definitely see y'all now. Jesus fucking Christ.
Yeah.
I ain't more of my friend that's a burn. How you get through that, bitch? How do you get through that? Ah, fire! God damn it.
It really tried to aim for you, huh?
Me too. I think he's causing problems.
I think I do those. With pistols, apparently.
Headshots. He got 6 headshots. How come they gave him the same thing they gave me? That doesn't seem fair.
I got 7 headshots.
It didn't put you up there at all.
It did for me.
Oh, it didn't for me. Okay, I was like, what the hell? That's why I got 7 headshots.
Alright then.
It put me up there and the other guy got 6. I'm like, why the fuck is he up there? That's kind of bullshit. I'll give him the same shit I got more than him. He didn't show me yours. Fuck.
Let's go bam. Let's give it a bam. Oh, the marksman class. I'm gonna get that class. Oh, I installed fucking what was that game trick? Let me. Good, I can't remember the name. Can't remember the name. The name. You and Trey both played it. Metal Gear Solid 5.
Did you?
Yeah, I installed that game. Yeah.
That game's fucking bad as shit. Insane. You gotta record everything.
Oh. I am.
The first like 5 minutes, you'll see an elf, a flaming giant whale flying through the air in like quite a unicorn ride. Man, I swear to God, it's like a fucking fever dream. You're like, what's happening? The fuck is this? Just play the entire series.
Yeah, I got the entire series.
Get it easily.
Ha.
Easiest fucking harder game ever made.
Okay. Oh! I was right. Hang on, do not move. Don't move when you get in here. Where you at? I see you. I was right here from the distance from the fucking teammate, and I missed like 3 non-aiming shots. Like, come on now. This distance.
I hit you right in the fucking kneecap where I wanted.
With this gun, it's practically in your face.
Well, you wouldn't miss me though if you gave it a try.
Fuck no, I'd kill myself. Done killed somebody.
Okay, we was testing stuff. Y'all over here just trying to murder each other for no fucking reason. Did I run in front of this man? I don't think I did. What happened to this man? Why is there a dead guy here?
Don't know. He doesn't have that. What in the fuck is this scope? How do you? He has a fucking sniper scope on an Alpha AK. Wow.
I ran by him and he just died.
Oh, the RPK?
Yeah.
It's alright.
Like, what does that mean?
Why did he attack
Hi,
you?
Fred. No, I don't work all the time, bud.
Ah, got stabbed in the back.
Oh, you're kind of new. I'm sorry. You're good, man. Keep doing you.
Fred's fucking.
Save your life. You're lucky.
Oh.
I'm like a terrorist. I got fucking mutton chops and everything. You don't see a terrorist mutton chops. I can't grow it weird. Like, did I see you again? I was boo-booing that time. Jeez.
Yeah, I got stabbed in the back. I thought I could run away from him. ERO, what is that?
I guess he said it's a hero.
Oh. Where the fuck's the H?
Yeah, he's getting cocky. He's sometimes like you.
H O
Judge people. See, you messed up already.
H-O-R-E. No, that's Haru. H-E-R-O. Fucking there. Just a little bit of thinking.
Brad, you killed yourself. Never mind. Somebody died.
Fuck that. I ain't dealing with that man again.
Yeah, they kind of did.
Wow, why didn't you stay there with your fucking with your mind, huh? Why didn't you stay there with your C4? Oh! Shit! I didn't know we had to protect Charlie.
Where the fuck are you at?
I was running away from Charlie. I was going to the next objective.
I killed him. I didn't kill him. He died because I shot that man in the face with a rifle and he just fell over and exploded into a ball of fire.
50 boiling fries.
Yeah, he's so it's
He's just right up under you.
that was 50 pieces.
Yeah.
I shot him in the back of the head. I'm glad I missed.
He didn't aim at all, and he missed a whole clip with MP7. Yeah, 50 boiling fries, that's... And he's gonna die because of fire. Nope. Yep, thought so. Basically, you're the only one left. You are the only one left. Why give chase?
Man, you mean?
I finally see your weapon. Oh man, that can't aim apparently.
Where the fuck did he go, Fane? I shot him. Fuck you mean?
Literally. The man is teleporting away from you. Just reload your gun. He just reloading. Just teleporting. You're losing. There's more than one of them.
There is.
I bet they're in the hallway when you left. No, they're gonna be in the hallway now. Behind you. There's two of them. Oh. Oh. They're just surrounded. Oh. Man. I'm doing terrible. I really am.
He got that man for no reason.
You have a reason. Man, you got this. Oh.
Zoe, no.
How loud is that game?
Oh, what?
How loud is Metal Gear?
It can be pretty loud.
I'm gonna have to have my fan cut on. Okay.
A lot of shit going on. That's for damn sure. You gotta pay attention to it. I think you gotta beat the game twice to actually beat the game or some kind of shit.
I'm safe, so long as no bomb man comes up. I could have got on that bus if I wanted to. By going from here to there to there to there.
Fucker. Okay, at least I called him in the face. I caught that fire guy in the face.
Oh no, you
Fire
died.
got me. I did. Again, I was a good probably 30 feet away from the fire. God.
Yeah.
It's really like nerf.
The fire.
It's not like half. Just the way the fire actually is, not like where it could kill you, I guess. I don't know, that's weird.
Me, I'm cheesing, that's what I'm doing.
Every single one of them's hip fire. Why? Like, I do if I get freaked out and I gotta kill something fast, but like, I also have 400 hours in the game. And I wouldn't recommend people do it.
No.
I just get really lucky.
That's all I'm doing next game. Literally, hip fire.
Yeah? You gotta get through the barrel points. Like, the barrel moves before your screen does. Well, it's the same time, but it's different. Yeah, it's different games do different shit. Like in squad, that actual gun moves before your screen does.
Yeah. Nope. Nope. I don't do nothing easy, you know this. I'll do something, I'm gonna do it hard. Just like when I played it. Nope. Just like when I played Metal Gear, I'll play on the hardest difficulty. What?
I'm gonna watch it now. Oh, I can't wait to meet Corner Hogan and Mantis.
Yeah.
Same Psycho, man. You'll see. You'll see. Now, if you played the one original one on fucking PlayStation, you had to take out the controller and put it in the other one. You know what I mean?
Oh, there's no way I'd be able to play the one on PlayStation. I ain't got a PlayStation.
You got a PlayStation, man. You got a computer.
Yeah, you said it's for PlayStation, so, you know.
Yeah, but you have a computer. You can emulate anything.
That's true.
I can play fucking Switch games and PS4 games online. They don't run great, but...
Oh god, that was a teammate. I killed myself. Why is he just out there?
I don't know.
He was surrounded by enemies. Didn't look like they was doing nothing to him. What's his name? I got this. I'll look at his name.
What, the Chinese man? All Chinese letters?
I thought he was gonna do the. I thought that was Blue Moon doing the fucking C4 thing. Because literally, I seen a teleporter sitting there and just walking back and forth around him. So I shot him. Shot the fucking teleporter. I shot the teleporter and ended up killing him. Which ended up killing me, so. Yeah.
I'll scream revenge out before I murder him for something.
Revenge!
Everything from hell, you scoundrels and shit. Wait, what?
I know exactly what I'm gonna do.
Gonna die to this fire guy up there. I'm glad. It's gonna get me in the crosshair. Oh, I'm glad I didn't get in your way.
Nah, you didn't. Don't worry about it.
Oh,
See?
oh, she died.
Flashbang, baby.
What?
You survived that? You did.
I did. It's fire. Get fire. Ah!
They get close enough to me, I do hit fire.
Chinese man in the corner! What the fuck you doing over here? Over in my corner. Come on in. You small enough you can fit in. Yeah, I'll give it a corner. Let's say the corner.
Okay. I know what you're talking about. I don't plan on dying. That smoke literally almost landed on me. And it would have killed me.
It would have killed you, yeah.
What type of fucking nonsense is that? Oh
How the
no.
fuck did I shoot at him?
I don't know.
I'm nowhere near that man. Sorry that's when I hit you up that corner, man. I don't know how I shot you. Peeked out the shot.
Good. Good. Yeah, I can't see shit.
Right, man. I can't see nobody through this fucking wall.
I don't see what they're shooting at. What if I just get on there? I don't even see that. Oh, I see somebody. Oh, they're gonna throw mollies at me. Good. That's what I'm talking about. Are they? Are they taking it? Oh, that was a teammate I shot at. No, it's not. Last teammate I shot at killed me. Oh, I made it!
Now I made your spot.
I didn't actually know I could get up here. Should I save this man when he's in danger? Maybe. Maybe.
Revenge, Blue Moon, revenge! Revenge! That first one actually was an accident, though. I was behind the fucking ball. I didn't do that on purpose.
I know you did.
I just screamed out there, revenge! He's like, what? He turned around, looked at me, and just fucking mowed him down.
They never expect the revenge.
They know. Oh, what do I fucking find Dennis and DayZ? I'm having a fucking field day with this bro playing that shit before I murder her.
Uh-huh. Fucking revenge! Write his name down. Never forget it.
Oh, I ain't. It's a fucking Ukrainian man named Dennis.
Oh, gosh. I don't want that house.
He had 25 seconds left. Only 4 people voted. I wouldn't. Well,
So why does people want to go to farmhouse so much?
I don't know. That's why I thought maybe it was you, but
No.
I don't think it was. I was thinking.
I hit cathedral.
I was thinking about damn, the one at the bottom right that was nighttime. I can't think of the name of it now.
Ah,
Yeah, 'cause we never play that one nighttime, right? I think it's Hillside or something like that.
yeah. I think that meant either way. Or it was refinery nighttime, one of those two. No. Well, that just means I'm gonna be flapping around with a pistol.
Yeah.
Yep.
Fuck you, don't fire away.
Oh, I forgot about that.
He didn't say he did that either. This guy's still blind over there.
Oh. I did say I was going to do hip fire only. Well.
Just ran right in front of him.
I got a red dot on this pistol. Alright, cool. You fucking...
That's a hip fire too! Jesus Christ! Oh fuck.
You fucker! You got in my way! You got in my...
You bitch! You pushed me out of the way! I had How you do that? How you run from him?
Cause I would've got
You never
fucking...
run!
I would've got the cell phone man killed and the giant killed.
Fuck that!
Damn it!
Face!
Oh, damn it, man. Yeah, no, I'm gonna stick with the pistol.
They're fucking dead. He's almost 38 and 17.
Ah, they're fine. They got this.
Yeah.
They got this. Okay. Told you they had it.
Insane. Why would you do this, Fred?
Fred, why'd you say Fred?
It was Fred. It said Fred.
No, it didn't.
It
said
I
It said I attacked Fred. Nothing happened to you.
I'm agreeing. I thought you knew it.
I don't know what y'all talking about. Flashed yourself. Come back through here. I'm on the stairs.
Ah, they grabbed me.
Ooh. Ooh.
Well,
I didn't pick your gun up. There it is. That was a gun. Oh, damn it. Alright, I'm done. Shabby what? Oh, I thought he said shabby. Hmm. Alright, no aiming. Is this okay? No, I was about to say me. No. Ah, I gotta kick the fucking laser sight off this. Fuck this. No laser sight. Flash. Alright, there we go. Oh. Alrighty then. No right clicking from me. No, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. Made it. Hi.
How the fuck did we kill each other?
What?
I shot that man and he stabbed me at the same time.
Alright. I got this. Whoa! Fucking fuck up there. No, you don't. Meadows. Get your fucking. I don't have my pistol. Fred. What is it? What was he doing? He murdered me. I got murdered. I don't know. Why'd he do that to me? I think he wanted to be the only one. That's fucked up. That's fucked up, Fred. Yep. Yep. That's all sort of fucks. Get out of here. Ah!
He beat both of us. Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna go cut my fat on. I'm fucking sweating. Literally. And I gotta get dog in. Look. Oh, man. Dog. Dog. I'm back. And I forgot to cut the light on. Jesus. Knows how to move, I'd use it. Oh, that's not the right light, but it's all light. Alright. Now. This I guess we lost that one, huh? Fuck you, Fred! He's still alive. I'm not doing good. So I can't aim. Well, that and I'm using a gun I couldn't use. What's up?
God damn it.
What guns you have? Shotgun? Oh, god damn it. I want that Alpha AK, to be honest with you. You lied to me. You had no ammo.
I didn't say it ammo. I wasn't sure. Why I didn't say shit. I was like, no, that's Alpha AK.
You could have told me you had no ammo.
You didn't ask me. And I wasn't sure. I got down by a fucking fire guy. I couldn't shoot him at the place. I called because I ran out of ammo. I ran out of ammo. I wasn't really thinking about it.
That was suicide bomber running to be. I missed like 25, 30 bullets on him. I should kill Fred. But I'm not. I'm not toxic like Fred. I have no idea. I have no idea. I don't know where. Oof. Ah, I tried to jump out of that, but did that? No.
Oh, what behind me?
Why is it always Fred last one left alive?
You want to play held out or something?
Sure.
Or you want to do slow?
Yeah, we play hell that was. Oh, was I last one to develop the team? I was. I was the last one to develop the team. Alright, cool.